So the Badger Smart branch is the result of a collaboration between Education Credit Union and Amarillo College as a result of our successful partnership with WT. So we have the Education Credit Union Buff Smart program there that we provide money management boot camp as well as scholarship opportunities for students on that campus who attend our financial literacy lectures. We wanted to bring that same model of success to Amarillo College. And that's how Badger Smart was born. So given the diverse student populations between WT and Amarillo College, so I like to use the term financial wellness. But the different financial wellness guidance, it looks different for whoever you're talking to. So there is no one size fits all when it comes to your finances. We don't spend our money the same ways. So when you're looking at a diverse student population like Amarillo College, where you have non-traditional students who may be after traditional or older than traditional college age, or have other attachments in their lives, and that makes a difference to their spending and saving habits. And so we met with Amarillo College. What is your student population like? When we talk about credit, there's a lot of misconceptions about it just in general, but then when you have somebody from a financial institution coming to talk about it, people have preconceived notions that it's sort of a sales pitch. It is purely informational. You don't need credit unless you're trying to do two things: get a loan to buy a home, or adjust the cost of certain goods and services for you, like insurance. Your insurance is impacted by your credit score. So letting people know those small things and how they can manage it for themselves is why we do what we do.